Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the performance report for Chris in Virginia on this General Stonewall Jackson. Chris, you sent this to me, said it was down on power, and it was. Had about 150 peak, and you had no forward bird average swing whatsoever. So we took care of that. Had to upgrade the power supply as well. Show you what we got. Our power all the way down, 100 watt slug. I set it about 4 watts, that way you'd have full adjustability. And 40 watts on the high. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 70 bird. 250 watt slug peak power. Hello. 250 watts in the corner. Hey, I hope you enjoy it, Chris, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.